Oh dear, this rain is relentless. There we go, safe and sound. The spices are blending nicely. Wonderful. These beans will add a nice crunch. Perfect. It's going to be delicious. In you go, my fresh herbs. Now to stir it all together. This ginger tea warms the soul, doesn't it?
It does, Grandma, just like your stories.
Ah, good times. The rain makes everything feel so peaceful.
It really does. This is perfect. On a rainy night, grandmother and I walked slowly toward the guava tree. The porch lamp's glow lit our path.
The guava is nice and sweet, isn't it?
Yes, Grandma, it's perfect.
I'm glad we have this.